Hello everyone, today, we will explore together the large, beautiful, and captivating bird species in nature. Firstly, let's delve into the world of peacock. The peacock is a bird family belonging to the order Gruiformes, and it includes various species worldwide. Peacocks are large birds, with sizes ranging from 70 centimeters to over 150 centimeters in length. They have long legs, long necks, and long bills. Breeding season is a crucial period in the life of peacocks. During this time, they often engage in courtship displays and dances, showcasing their beautiful plumage to attract mates. Some species may build nests, while others use their habitat to create a safe environment for eggs and chicks. Rooster male. Feathers, shiny greenish-blue plumage, extremely long tail, with iridescent green, copper, red, and brown star-shaped patterns on the tips of each tail feather. Crest, long, narrow, bright crest. The facial area is yellow and green. When performing, the tail feathers fan out like a peacock's tail to attract the attention of the females. Hen female. Similar to the rooster, but without a head crest and lacking ornamental feathers. Tail feathers are typically shorter with brown edges, deep brown eyes, horn-colored beak, and gray legs. Both males and females typically collaborate in incubating eggs and caring for chicks. Some species may provide care for chicks during both the egg incubation period and after hatching. The plumage of peacocks is often soft and exhibits a diverse range of colors, including white, black, gray, brown tones, and red. Feathers serve various purposes, not only being visually appealing, but also providing protection from weather, aiding in flight, creating a safe living environment, and serving as tools to attract mates during the breeding season. Peacock feathers are intricately structured, with special arrangements and layers. Some species have distinct facial feathers, such as crests, tail feathers, and neck plumes, enhancing their allure during courtship. During the breeding season, many peacock species undergo molting and regrow new feathers to prepare for the mating period, with the new feathers often displaying brighter colors and increased luster. The tail feathers of the male peacock, in particular, stand out during this period. During the breeding season, competition among roosters to establish territory rights and attract females is common. These competitions often involve the use of vocalizations and behavioral displays to demonstrate strength and attractiveness. The peacock is the national bird of India and is considered the country's symbol. The image of the peacock often appears in art, folklore, and ancient architecture. In Vietnam, the peacock is considered a symbol of beauty and good luck. It is frequently depicted in traditional art, folklore, and even in traditional festivals. The peacock is commonly depicted in European and American art, especially in ancient architecture, artistic decorations, and even in parks and gardens. The peacock is a powerful symbol with significant influence, and its usage in each culture often reflects the unique values and meanings attributed to it in that specific region.